Imagine if you could turn back the clock 5, 10, even 15 years and reverse the effects of aging. Their muscle tissue was revitalized.
La victime, adulte ou enfant, qui a été torturée et terrorisée durant le rituel précédant sa mise à mort, aura son sang chargé d'endorphines, de la morphine endogène. Ces endorphines sont sécrétées naturellement par l'organisme lors d'un stress intense ou lors d'une activité physique intense. Il s'agit d'une opiacée naturelle qui agit comme un antidouleur. Chez les sportifs, la libération d'endorphines permet de maintenir des efforts importants et ceux-ci développent souvent une addiction à cette sensation que procurent les hormones. C'est ce que l'on appelle le runner's high, l'ivresse du coureur. Une victime de viol et de torture, dont la douleur aura été poussée à son paroxysme, aura un taux d'endorphine extrêmement élevé dans son sang. Ce sang sera consommé comme une drogue par les participants au rituel, eux-mêmes déjà dans un état dissociatif. Une forme d'addiction peut donc se développer par la consommation de sang humain ou animal chargé en endorphine.
Consumption of the blood, and possibly even body parts. Even more disturbingly, some of these groups make a point of preferring the blood of children, believing it to be more potent. Another reason the elite drink children's blood is for its known rejuvenating effects. Why do you think some of these old Illuminati Satanists live so long?
It turns out that drinking children's blood is an anti-aging device. This is just really sick and disgusting, but it's a fact. It's a chemical fact. And if you drink adrenalized children's blood, which is to say you terrorize the child, not just with sodomy, but with torture and with other satanic ritual things. If you adrenalize the child's blood before you kill them and drink their blood, this is a doubly effective anti-aging device. You can also harvest children's bone marrow. So children are being killed for their bone marrow as an anti-aging device for the elite. I don't make this stuff up. It's gone on throughout history. This is not new.
Use the term young blood, but maybe there's something really there. Maybe if we gave older people young blood, we could help stave off diseases like Alzheimer's.
But maybe we don't have to get old. Maybe there's a way to stop or reverse aging. And maybe that way is to inject our bodies with baby blood. Wait, what?
But maybe we don't have to get old. Maybe there's a way to stop or reverse aging. And maybe that way is to inject our bodies with baby blood.
Now this one sounds like something out of the movies, but young blood could be the key to reversing aging. Young blood could be the key to reversing aging.
The shocking discovery just made by researchers who studied mice. As CBS 2's Don Champion reports, the findings could someday treat several ailments in humans.
It must be tonight. The gods are beautiful.
It looks like Dracula had it right all along. Scientists just made a shocking discovery. Young blood could be the new fountain of youth.
This is quite an exciting story today. Some are calling it vampire therapy. Others see it potentially as the fountain of youth. Vampire therapy. Others see it potentially as the fountain of youth. New studies finding that young blood, real young blood, can improve and in some cases reverse the aging process in mice. Now the question is, could it do the same thing in humans?
Now the question is, could it do the same thing in humans?
Scientists have apparently found a way to reverse the effects of aging, at least in mice. 3 studies show older mice can be rejuvenated when infused with the blood of younger mice. It revives stem cells and muscles and increases endurance and memory. Researchers now want to eventually run that experiment on people. They say it could one day help treat Alzheimer's, heart disease, and other ailments.
3 new medical studies out this morning show young blood can improve lives. Researchers took old mice and gave them blood and blood proteins from young mice. They found the old mice showed improved muscle and brain function.
Scientists hope these mouse studies will lead to anti-aging treatments for humans. Imagine if you could turn back the clock 5, 10, even 15 years and reverse the effects of aging. Their muscle tissue was revitalized.
It's a new study revealing that young blood from a younger person transfused into you perhaps can improve and in some cases perhaps reverse the aging process. It works in mice, but it can do the same in humans. That's a big question.
So I like this particular headline because it's different. And it's not as crazy as other things I've heard. What I don't like is when you hear about some exotic fruit somewhere and a small seed in that fruit, and if we just take that seed, we're going to live to be 200 years of age.
Really, really interesting findings.
Fascinating.
It's a fascinating study, actually.
It's so fascinating.
So certainly very exciting finding.
But it is certainly very intriguing and interesting.
It's amazing. It really, truly is.